Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Mineralwells, Parkersburg. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Mineralwells, Parkersburg. Located in Mineralwells, this hotel is only 5 miles from the West Virginia Motor Speedway. It has on-site laundry facilities and offers rooms with free Wi-Fi. Rooms at the Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Mineralwells, Parkersburg have air conditioning and cable TV. They include a private bathroom. In the morning, the hotel serves a continental breakfast. The hotel has vending machines and several restaurants are located less than 2 miles away. Mineralwells, Parkerburg Microtel Inn Suites is a 10-minute drive from Woodbridge Plantation Golf Course and shopping at the Coldwater Creek Outlet. It offers free public parking and pets are allowed on request. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.